With the proliferation of cheap action cameras, mostly from China, should you even consider buying a GoPro anymore? Yes, and here's why. What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. GoPro has actually had a rough go the last couple of years, and honestly, it kind of bums me out a little bit. We even did a video a little while ago ripping on a Chinese action cam, but still recommending a different Chinese action cam. You can check that one out over this direction. But I want to talk about why a GoPro should actually be your first choice when buying an action camera. First and foremost, no, GoPro did not sponsor this video. We have received no GoPro anything for free. Any GoPro used or seen in this video was bought by Corey, or is like a screen cap from their website, something like that. This is actually just something I started thinking about after we shot that video on the inexpensive Chinese action cam. And by the way, GoPro, if you are watching, we are definitely down to work with you guys. So let's start with the smaller things. First, GoPro branded accessories are, honestly, they're just better quality than the ones you get for the cheaper action cams. I find the plastic used in the GoPro branded accessories feels sturdier. There's more of it in general, and it does have just a much more comforting weight to it. The tolerances even feel better on the GoPro accessories. Now, this may not bug many people, but I really hate buying cheap crap that I'm just gonna have to purchase multiple times. Rather spend the money out of the box and get that quality immediately. The next plus for GoPro is software. They have a couple of great pieces of software. Their phone app is better, more responsive overall than any Chinese action cam app that I've actually seen to date. It has the ability to control every setting the camera has and can even remotely power on, power off the camera. Plus, it allows for editing of videos on the go, not just monitoring the video you're taking. They also have a desktop app for editing. It's a pretty easy to use app overall that allows you to click scenes you like, select the soundtrack you want, and the clips are just kind of auto-magically synced to the music. This may not be a boon to everybody, but if you don't have access to more expensive editing software, the GoPro app is free, or just don't have a lot of time and want to throw something together, this is a really good way to get it done and has a pretty dang small learning curve. With the cheaper action cams, you get one option mostly. With GoPro, you've actually got a bunch of options. Their current lineup features 4 different cameras, 3 of which are shaped exactly the same. If you don't mind buying an older model, they even have the session cameras as well, which are not that old anyway. They're quite small cubes that will fit almost anywhere. And among those 4 current cameras is the Fusion, which actually captures full 360-degree spherical video and allows for either a VR video or this really epic reframing of the shots in post. The most important reason I think GoPro is really the way to go, video quality. Now, we have not tested every cheap or not action cam out there, but we have tested a couple of the, crazily enough, best-selling cameras on Amazon, and overall, I way prefer the video quality of the GoPro. I mean, this is what, with some work, a GoPro shot can actually look like. The colors are good and are actually pretty accurate, maybe a bit cool, but that can be pretty easily fixed in post. Now, I know the title of this video is all about GoPro, but I'm not as concerned with the company you purchase from. I just encourage you to purchase quality over this ease of access. Sony, they also actually have a very quality action camera. They've got a great ecosystem as well, and either would be a huge upgrade from the less expensive Chinese cameras. Sony even has a little bit of a higher bit rate when recording than the GoPro. If you're concerned with price, and I completely understand, try a GoPro Session because 1, they're not in production anymore, so you get them a little bit cheaper, but they're definitely still out there. You could also save up just a little bit longer and get the newer GoPro Hero, which starts at just $199. Let's go for quality. So thanks for watching, everybody. Let us know in the comments below if you actually agree with us. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
And it goes like